Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe here from PSC, and in the time it takes for me to explain our new optimized one-page checkout, you could have already placed your order. Our new checkout page features a responsive, minimal design so you can quickly check out on any device without distractions. For our first-time buyers, once you put the items in your shopping cart and proceed to checkout, you'll immediately be prompted to enter your email address and continue as a guest. You will be able to save your details to create an account with us later, and creating an account allows you to save all of your billing and shipping information and even use your previous payment method for future orders. After you continue as a guest, the second step is to enter the shipping information. By default, the My Billing Address is the same as My Shipping Address option will be checked. If you are using a different billing address, be sure to uncheck that before going forward. Once you have entered all of the required fields for your shipping information, you will see a list of shipping options available to you. After selecting that, you can add any order comments and then hit continue. Here you will either jump to step 3 for billing information, or if your addresses are the same for shipping and billing, you will go directly to step 4, where you put in your payment information. You can pay via debit or credit card, PayPal, PayPal Credit, which allows you to pay over time, or a bank deposit. The text fields are optimally laid out, clearly labeled, and your card type is auto-detected when the credit card number is entered, removing that extra step. Once that information is entered, all that is left is to accept the terms and conditions and place your order. If you run into any issues along the way or need to go back, you can easily scroll up to any of the steps in the process to quickly edit the information or adjust the items in your shopping cart. If you already have an account or are a returning customer, it's even easier. The next time you go to place an order, you'll be directly sent to the payment step with your billing and shipping information automatically filled. Now, this has been a quick overview of our new optimized one-page checkout on petroleumservicecompany.com. Don't hesitate to jump on the site and give it a try. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by phone, email, or chat. And for Petroleum Service Company, I'm Joe. Thanks for watching.